What's up, divas? Welcome back to our channel. So it is November, it is close to Thanksgiving. We cannot wait for all the festivities to begin. Actually, they've kind of begun because we're already in the process of getting started with everything that we want to do. But I am so excited to say that our Ipsy bag has arrived, yay! So for those of you who do not know me, I am simply Carey and this is Diva Doll. And we are going to be opening our Ipsy bag today. This is the November issue. So before I begin, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our upcoming unboxings as we move through the holiday season.
You can't see your Grinch.
You can't see my Grinch? Oh, yes, we are in the holiday spirit. Okay, the Grinch is not necessarily a holiday. I mean, well, he's part of the holiday spirit, but I tend to relate more to the Grinch than anything else. So I really liked it, and I decided I was just gonna be the Grinch, and she's the reindeer. So we're all excited. We cannot wait. I will be doing Vlogmas. This year. I will be participating. I will be doing a video. We will be doing a video every day until Christmas time, starting in December 1st. We will kick off our Vlogmas season, okay? So, I will talk about that a little bit later, but let's go ahead and get into this Ipsy bag. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go, let me help you. Okay, so go ahead and dig in there. We're gonna turn the bag around a little bit, okay? All right, just one thing at a time. Okay, so we have our pouch.
Something else in there.
All right, well, hold on a second. All right, let's put this one down for the moment. Is that it? There's nothing else in the bag?
No.
All right, so, this is our bag for
I wanna keep
November.
this.
Hold on to it. Hold on, and let's. Very nice, like leather, and it's got the different. You're gonna get it. You get this bag, okay? Does it smell good?
No.
No, it just smells like leather, maybe. All right, so let's go ahead and open it now. Not too soon. Hold on. I know you're really excited to see what's in it, and so am I. But let's first talk about the theme of this month. Don't open up anything just yet, okay? I know you're excited. So for November 2020, be present, #blessed. This month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you when you focus on the little things, the first swipe of a new lipstick, a DIY mani, video chatting with an old friend. You'll find you're rich in reasons to be thankful. Okay, so be present, okay, is the theme for this month. Be present. Okay, this is your time. Slow down, open up, swipe on your 5 new Glam Bag products and treat yourself. Okay, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing. All right, so let's take a look and see what our first product is. What is this? Okay, so what is it called here? This is, it's kind of shiny. Hello, Jules Smith Beauty. Looks like Jules Smith Beauty. Okay,
It's lip gloss.
does it look, oh, it looks like lip gloss? Okay, so hold it up and show it. All right, this is the Jules Smith Beauty. Maybe a little bit difficult to see. All right, so Jules Smith Power Satin Matte Liquid Lipstick in Namaste. Okay, I'll go down a little bit. Okay, in Namaste All Day. All right, so this is a liquid lipstick. You want to try this? Want to try this lipstick?
I will try on you.
I think it's, well, I already have lipstick on. I think that you should have a little bit.
No, you.
No, you're the one that wanted some. Okay, well, I don't know how it's going to look with my lipstick that's already on. So, wait, it's pretty tight. So, here we go. All right. Just a little.
It's bright. Now it's
Okay, you can't
mine.
really tell with my lipstick, but we'll be able to see it with yours. Oh, look at that, how beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. You like it?
Yeah.
You like that color? You don't think it's a little pale? You know what you're gonna need? I think that you're going to need a little lip liner. I wonder if we have a lip liner in here. What is that? It's a line sharpen and smudge. Oh, this is an eye pencil. It's an eye pencil.
You need to open this
Okay,
one.
so we actually have an eye pencil. This is the second thing that we have. This was called Trestique. It's an eye pencil. All right, so let's open that one up. The Trestique eye pencil in Santorini Black Sand. It's a new to liquid liner. What is this? No
Grandma?
problem. This creamy gel
We gotta
formula
open this.
glides on like a liquid.
Grandma, we gotta open this.
Okay, so it's almost like a pencil, but it glides on like a liquid. So wait a minute, let me see. So this isn't the pencil itself? Oh, this is
No.
just the cover of it. How cute. Oh, here, let me try a little on you, okay? Just a little, just on the edge up here. Oh,
That's not
very
for that.
soft. That's
for
nice. No, this is for the eyes. Oh, let's see. I'm just gonna do it just a little bit. Okay, you're just gonna have one. Oh, look at
Another
that.
one.
Another one over here. Okay, keep your eyes soft. Let's see. Okay. Oh, you are ready for a beauty pageant. Look at that. It glides on so nice. You know, Grandma can't really see those lines. They're probably everywhere. What do you think?
Good.
You like it? Yeah? I think it's gorgeous. Okay, I like this. You know what? And I really needed another one because I dried out my liner. So this comes in handy. Let me tell you, these things come in handy because I'm just doing all sorts of stuff with makeup, and don't have time to go to the store sometimes. What is that?
It's a little bright.
Oh, let's see. This is slow recipe banana what? Banana squiffle? Okay, glow recipe banana souffle moisture cream. Oh, a moisture cream. Oh, you know, I could use another moisture cream. Now, I've been using one that I do like. I'm starting to really kind of like. It's I believe it's Sarah's child or somebody's child.
What's
I
this?
can't
That's
remember.
for your face.
What does it smell like? Oh, good. It doesn't have an odor. That's a plus.
Let me see.
All right. I don't really want to put it on my skin because I have foundation on right now.
What about
You could
me?
put a little, yeah. You can moisturize your skin. That's always a plus. I'm going to put it on here. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, yes. I definitely want to try that. That feels really good. Okay, so this glow recipe, like a smoothie for your skin, this banana, chai seed, and turmeric infused moisturizer resets and replenishes your skin for a healthy glow. All right, I like this. It has a light, creamy kind of feel to it. I don't know if you can really see that. I'm trying to get it as close as I can. And the camera is not focusing very well. Okay, but this looks like a winner as well. Okay, so far we've got 3 products that I really like. Okay, what's the next thing? Oh, what is that? What is that? That's, let's see, it's an Item Beauty Brow Chow in Deep Brunette. Is that something for the brows? Okay, this is an Ipsy exclusive. Oh, what is that? It has a little tiny baby brush on the end. Wait, let's see. Okay.
My hands are slippery.
This may not come off, But what on earth is this on the end? Is it just a brush?
Maybe it's a brush for your eyebrows.
For the eyebrows, yeah. Yeah, brush your eyebrows while I take a look at this and see what this is all about. Yep, we scored TikTok superstar Addison Ray's Item Beauty Products just for you. This dual-ended pencil. Oh, there's a pencil. I thought that did come off. Equal the diff between brows that look good and brows that look amazing and last all day. Okay. Has a super fine tip to fill and define and brush
Open this.
to blend and fluff.
Open this.
Okay, so it's really kind of, oh, okay. So wait a minute, what is that on the end? Look at it, it's like triangular or something. Oh, look at that. Okay, so wait, let me try it on your eyebrows. Okay, so, and it's made just like an eyebrow. Oh, look at that. Oh, it actually makes the eyebrow look at that.
Let me see.
Okay. You don't think that's a little deep? It's pretty dark. Oh, well, I already have a little on, but okay. Well, wait. Okay. All right. Well, let's try to brush it in a little bit. How about that? Let's see. We'll just use this brush and try to blend it in a little bit nicer.
It's more darker.
It's kind of dark. Wait, hold on a second. Okay. I think you kind of went a little deep in there with that. Oh, wow.
Deep.
Okay, that one's pretty deep, but it's pretty dark, but we can work it out. We can work it out. Okay. All right, this one's interesting. It's interesting because it has that triangular sort of shape on the end to make that arch on the eyebrows. So this is something
really
definitely
cool.
worth
Grandma,
checking
this
out.
one is really cool.
Or trying out, rather.
You would like this one.
I would like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is that? Oh, it's a little tiny something. What is it called? It's the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape. What? That's
What?
Shape Tape Concealer in medium. Okay, so
What?
I guess if we're doing our eyeshadow and we need to make sure that we
This
keep
is
it.
eyeshadow?
No, that is something for your eyebrows. Let's see. So if we did a little bit of that there, like when we're doing our shadow, yeah, and we need a beauty blender. But you know what? Sometimes if you don't have a beauty blender, you can always take the edge of your finger, which I don't like doing because I don't like touching my hand with. I don't like touching my face with my fingers, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? If you don't have all the products available. So, yeah. Okay, so that comes out very powdery. All right, very powdery on the end, interesting. Okay, but I guess it's to clean up whatever you're gonna be doing on the side. So that's interesting. I like that, okay? So this is what it looks like. This is from Tarte. All right.
Nothing else.
Okay, is there anything else?
No.
All right, so we've come to the end of it. So what do you think about all the products? What was your favorite one?
I want this one and this one.
Okay, so you liked the eyebrow pencil.
No, I want
So Diva
this
Doll
one.
likes the eyebrow pencil.
I want these ones.
And what is the other one? Oh, the moisturizer?
Yeah.
You want the moisturizer?
Yeah.
Okay, and
Wait, actually, you can have it.
oh, thank
I
you
will
so
have
much. I
this
think I
one.
need moisture better more than you do. And oh, you want the concealer and the lipstick?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
I
fine. You
can
can
do
have
the
that.
lipstick.
You can have that. That's fine.
This
Okay.
one.
All right. So, what are my thoughts on it? I pretty much like everything that's in here. This definitely came in handy. Saved me from having to go to the store to find anything. What are you doing? This is a definite try. I must try this. I am looking for a new moisturizer. I have been trying some different moisturizers, so this is a plus. The that's a lipstick. The lipstick, I think I would probably have to do a liner with it because it looked a little pale in my opinion, and I think you would probably benefit from a little bit of a darker liner for that as well. And what else did we have? This concealer, we can always use some concealer, always. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
6
products. Was it 6? Okay, and then we have our bag. Okay,
wait.
I think this is a more modern, grown-up kind of bag in my opinion, but I love it. Thank you, Ipsy. We really appreciate it. Oh, you want to give this one to me?
Yeah.
This one's for me? Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and say goodbye. But before we say goodbye, if you have not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and definitely hit the notification bell. And if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.